so today I'm just gonna do a quick little chit chat get ready with me. I have about 10 minutes on the clock to get ready. Oh no, me can't get ready fast. Like, me don't know if I get ready fast. Me love chat and that always get the best of me. But today I'm gonna try to speed things up a little bit. I do have this mirror.
Ew.
I got it recently because I don't know me normally use like my eyeshadow palette. But we upgraded. I bet you upgraded. Alright, so I can't find my eyebrow pencil for my thingy. Let me just try to find all my products before I come on here and just chat you guys away. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my spoolie and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows because the eyebrows are the first thing the girls do. And then I'm gonna just get my black eye pencil and I'm just gonna fill in the bottom especially. I really shouldn't be using black seeing that my hair is red. Right now I don't have much of a choice. I don't know where's the sharpener for the brown. I haven't been on here in a minute, not a long time, but I wasn't on here for a little bit, and that's because of my mental space. I know you guys hear me talk about this. I think I talk about this quite a lot. It's almost like every week or every 2 weeks I have this seasonal depression. It's a problem because it literally takes a toll on my productivity, and I'm trying to pull myself out of that, and it's like I have it so frequently. I'm gonna now use my foundation. I'm gonna get some foundation on my brush to go ahead and blend that in, and I'm using this angled flat brush and my foundation, which is a little bit dark if I do say so myself. However, we will fix that later. It's very dark. Oh my god, I knew this, but you guys know I always mix my foundation in with a lighter makeup. So as I said, guys, I don't have 10 minutes. I don't think I have 10 minutes remaining, and I'm really trying to quickly do this makeup. Like, I swear to God. I don't really have any topic specifically planned out to talk about. I didn't plan to film at all. I was like, okay, I'm going on the road, I'm going to get ready. Why not turn on my camera and do my makeup with you guys? So here I am, doing my makeup with you guys. Yeah. So let's just talk about how if you're not consistent with anything, you're not getting away. Like, bro, and that's I feel like my biggest challenge is consistency, and the main reason why I have those challenges is because of my freaking seasonal outbursts that I have. I'm gonna use my concealer under my eyes. Over my mouth, straight down on my chin. I don't really do my forehead because I don't need my forehead to look bigger. Well, my forehead is, you know what? I'm gonna start doing my forehead because I don't have a lot of forehead. It makes sense, right? I'm also gonna do under the brows. I hope this mirror isn't in the guys' way. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out my thingy. This brush feels really weird, sponge rather, feels really weird on my hands, on my skin. It feels like something was on it, some kind of product. What was I talking about? Yeah, and the crazy thing is, if you're not consistent with anything that you do, you're not going to reach anywhere, like literally. Like, you can try to be perfect, but it don't make sense you wait on being perfect and being inconsistent, because that's like one of my biggest things. I'm always like, I have nothing to film, my lighting isn't good enough, I hate my color of my walls, so I'm not gonna film anything. That's how I am. Like, I personally find fault with everything, and I find excuses as to why I shouldn't get what I need to get done, like literally. And I could admit that. I could admit that that's my problem. I'm a perfectionist at best, if you guys don't know that about me. Like, I like when things are perfect, and if it's not perfect, it pisses me off. I lose my, you know, So here's a funny thing. I'm supposed to be ready in the next 10 minutes and I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. Like, am I really serious? And I don't want to look, I'm just trying to dress simple and classy though. Not too classy because I don't have a lot of clothes, to be honest. Like, here, look at me opening up to you guys. But I'm gonna be honest, like, come on. I haven't shopped in years. I need to start putting myself to the forefront. I keep focusing on other things except myself. And I want to do, this year, I want to do like a lot more self-care things. And not just, oh, bills, work. You know, like, that does not make sense at all. And I want to start shopping for myself and putting myself first. Funny thing, guys, last night me get like the least amount of sleep ever. Like, I've been doing that for a little bit though, and it's not like intentional. Like, I've been watching shows and, you know, just watching movies, and like I woke up at, not woke up, what am I saying? And I got up out the bed like 2 a.m, right? Because I was watching something, and I got up out the bed like 2 a.m, and I used the bathroom, and then I was like looking at myself in the mirror like, oh, a bad bitch in the making. And when I look at my eyes, bro, like, I don't know if you guys could tell, my eyes had the hugest bags I've ever seen on myself, and I'm not one to have like bags. But brother, when me tell her say the bag them big, like come like 5 Louis bag in a one. To how the bag them look, and I'm like, what the hell? I need to go to sleep. And guess what? I did not go to sleep until an hour after that. So I look like crap. Oh my god, I'm so cute. I'm sorry. Let's act normal. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set the face. Beat the face, set the face. If I beat his face, then it's long. And that's what you said. If I draw this eyebrow on, it's sorry for you. Because all it takes is a one Instagram picture. Pow! And it's 20,000 in my DM. Okay, that's like a funny ass TikTok. Anyway guys, so yeah, as I was saying, I just didn't get a lot of sleep last night. But back to what I was saying before I started saying that. What was I saying again? Oh yeah, I was talking about consistency and how it's a pain in my ass because I'm trying so hard to be consistent, because this, honestly guys, I've been doing this for a while, but I haven't been consistent, not one time. The most consistent I'll be is probably like in 2 weeks I'll post consistently, and then the 3rd week I'm missing off the face of the earth. Why? Because she is stressed out and she put all her problems them forefront first before, you know, guys, I don't even know how to explain it, but I'm basically the root of my problems. Okay. I am the reason. Okay guys, you know what, I need to shut up and I need to make this quick, but let me just say guys, consistency is very important, and I know that for a fact because whenever I don't post for weeks, I see a drop in my numbers as to how much persons, you know, get notifications or watch my videos compared to if I'm posting consistently. They just stay tuned, and it's almost like, you know how you have watch a TV show and they post every Thursday and every Monday and they never miss. I would keep going back to it. That's kind of how consistency works. Like, you know, people have something to look for, and I'm not just talking when it comes to YouTube. I mean, hear me talking about consistency. It's like I know, but I'm just not doing it. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like, oh, my biggest star in the world, and you know, me just know because me see it for myself. You understand? Me see it, and oh, I'm really trying to break out of the habit. What I'm gonna do, guys, upcoming, I'm going to do like posting consecutively, etc. videos, like just to see where it gets me, and I'm gonna post the results on YouTube, obviously, but I'm gonna do different places like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to see how it benefits me compared to when I'm not posting consistently, and just kind of share it and see what different it makes. I'm gonna challenge myself to do that, and I'm gonna share it with you guys because I know you guys would want to see those insights for the persons who do struggle with being consistent as well. But yeah, so this is my face basically. I'm not going crazy to be honest, because I don't have the time. So I'm gonna also use the same shadow in my eye crease because I feel like it pulls the burgundy together as well. So boom. And I do have to hurry up and get ready, guys. Like, I don't have time. So alright, I'm gonna also put some under my eyes because my eyes look crazy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. What the hell? Okay. It still doesn't look good, but it's okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna quickly do my liner. Hold on, if I could just find it. Okay, here's my black eyeliner. I'm gonna just do that eyeliner. It won't be neat because this isn't sharpened. And I don't know where the sharpener is right now, and I'm not going to get up and look for it because I don't have time. Okay, boom. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing. I used to do wing liner all the time, and I want to get back into it. Boom. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I can't find my brush that I use. I can't find my brush to put on blush, so I'm gonna use this brush instead, and I'm gonna go into the blush shades that I always use, right? Oranges mixed with pinks, just pretty warm tones, and I'm gonna use that. I always use it on my lip, my nose, my cheeks, and like in the temples of my forehead. And then I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. Boom! I'm gonna also put some mascara on my lashes and get dressed really quickly. And basically the look is finished. I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you guys the final look because I am rushing and I think the person's here. Bye guys! Ah! Okay guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I didn't apply any lashes or anything because as you guys know, I was in a rush. This is actually later in the day as well. But thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be posting again this week, probably Sunday or Saturday. We'll see what goes on. But thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Have a good one. Oh.